So this morning we are here at the Kariakoo market and trying to sample some of the Tanzanian food. Everybody knows that me, I love food and I eat so many food, you know. So it was a surprise for me eating 2 plates at a time. Bruh, it's normal.
You?
Every property is your own, it's not for you, bruh. Once you're dead, it belongs to someone else. But when you eat, what you eat inside of you is your own for life, bruh. Good morning, this is Jay's, you know what time it is. Don't mind my face. I swam a lot yesterday, you know, I spent a lot of hours swimming and all of that, so that shit affected my eyes and itching me, so forget about that. So this morning we are here at the Kariakoo market and trying to sample some of the Tanzanian food. Sunga brought me down here to get food. That's Sunga, ladies and gentlemen.
Searching for food in my trip.
So, are we searching for food?
Yeah, then if you find here.
Okay, then we find it. Alright,
You
so.
know, they eat everywhere they find the food.
So ever since I got to Tanzania, I've been eating rice. But I feel like
to eat it 2 times.
yes, I eat 2 times, you know.
2 times. I missed 2 full plates of rice.
Yeah, you know, I told him that I eat a whole lot. Back in Nigeria, everybody knows that me, I love food and I eat so many food, you know. So it was a surprise for me eating 2 plates at a time. Bruh, it's normal. You know, I
can't get to be surprised. How this man
managed to eat the food. you know, what I believe in is when you eat very well to your satisfaction, that's the only thing you got. The houses, the cars, every property is your own, it's not for you, bro. Once you're dead, it belongs to someone else. But when you eat, what you eat inside of you is your own for life, bro. Don't you know? So you eat good food while you're alive. So ladies and gentlemen, let's see what we got here. Mama, habari?
Nzuri, karibu.
Poa.
Mambo anasemaje?
Hey, mama. So, mama, what are we buying now?
We buy rice.
Rice.
Very different kind of
Food here?
Small fish.
Small fish. Okay.
Then we got beef.
Beef. Okay. Okay, I want rice and the beef. That's
Rice
for
and
2,500.
Yeah.
Okay. What my friend is telling me now is that if I want rice and beef, that's for 2,500.
Yeah.
So if I want rice and fish, it's for how much? How is the food? It's nice, man. So as you can see, this food right there, they are the one distributing this food to everybody in the market. Her name is Fauzia. I have a girlfriend named Fauzia. Tell her.
Ana mchumba anaitwa Fauzia.
When I was in school, when I was in secondary school.
Itakuwa ndo mimi.
On the shade.
It's her.
She said?
It's her.
You? Very funny people. Alright, so I'm done with the food. The food is great. The food is nice. So after the food, I ate banana. I forgot to film that. And I so much love the food. I had rice, vegetables, banana. So it's cold water. That Sunga right there, Sunga only bought water and banana. He said he already ate before he left the house. And this is the beautiful woman, you know, part of those selling the food. Yeah. Mambo. So they say mambo. Mama.
Hi.
I'ma speak to my people. Speak to my people.
Waongeleshe watu yani.
Speak to Nigerians, you know.
Nigeria.
Yeah. All right, so we're done right now. We're leaving. All right, so we're done eating and we're leaving. So if you enjoyed the video, kindly like, subscribe, and share. And, you know, turn on post notification for you to get notified whenever I drop a new video. So I see you guys in the next one. Hey, you made it to the end of the video. I'm so glad you did because I have a whole lot more for you guys to watch. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on post notification for you to know what's happening.